Alright, so before we get started, I want to check on this real quick. It looks like the mic's picking up okay. Let me go ahead and check out my stream, see what it sounds like. Because after watching that last video, yeah, it was pretty bad. Those other headphones are just garbage. So, yeah, and I kept cutting in and out and everything, and I realized my gaming headset is USB. So let me see how it sounds. Okay. Okay, let me go ahead and check out my stream, see what it sounds like. Because after watching that last video, yeah, it was pretty bad. Okay, I like it. Yeah, so I had so much fun earlier. I think I'm gonna do some more coding clashes. So, um, oh, so, oh wow, I just jumped right in. Okay, here we go. So shortest mode. Let's see. Go ahead and just do this right away. All right, so we got C1, W1, C2. All right, a cucumber is composed of C1% water and weighs W1 grams. After it is left to dry overnight, some of the water in the cucumber evaporates. The cucumber is now composed of C2% of water. What is the new weight of the cucumber? All right, so a cucumber is composed of 99% water and weighs 700 grams. After being, oh, sorry, that's gonna be way too distracting. All right, so after being left dry overnight, the cucumber now contains 98% water. The new weight of the cucumber is, well, it doesn't seem right, but anyways. So line 1, int C1 for the initial water content, int W1 for the initial weight, int C2 for new water content after being left to dry. Float W2 for the new weight of the cucumber after being left out to dry. Alright, and to 2 decimal places. So that'll be the, okay. So the way I used to do this, if you do, oops, um, like 99 over 700, well, whatever, um, equals 98 over x. Kind of solve for that. So then it would be 98 times 700 divided by 99 equals x. So to rewrite that, or well, 98. Hey, what's up, Bob? Actually, this is the one that I use for gaming, but after watching the videos, I figured I should use it for the computer ones too. So, alright, all that equals x. So, now we gotta put that into other terms and then remember to erase these comments. So, C1 is the 99. So we'll go ahead and I guess it's lowercase c. And then 700 is the W1. Well, sorry again. It's a little bit confusing because they have it in 2 different ways, but let's see. Then 98 is the C2. Okay, so all we gotta do is return C2 times W1. Put all that in parentheses so we can have that evaluated first. And then, oops, divided by C1. Return. Oh. Oh, right. We're just printing. Let's see if it needs to be a string. Okay, so that was wrong. Right, so it looks like they're... Alright, this one works. We need to format it to... Ah, thanks. Yeah, I like the lights. That was why I picked it up. And it was one of the cheapest ones, too. So, that was a pretty good deal. Alright, so... Yeah, it's almost double. But it's like almost, but not quite. I mean, I wonder if it'd make a lot of a difference if I did this, because I think it still evaluates left to right. Yep, same value. It's almost double. That one's over double. That one's way over double. So, I guess, and this example kind of worried me too, because if it was 1%, oh, wait a minute. Do the percentages need to be divided by 100? Let's see. So that would be C1 times 0.001, or um, then um, it would also be C1. Nope, definitely not. And all that did was move it. Alright, that's right. It moves it 4 zeros to the right, or well, no, the decimal to 4 zeros to the left. So that definitely not what we need to do. So yeah, unless this is just wrong, because, and it looked wrong with this, because if you're only going down 1% of that, so what is nice, good to know. I was worried about that, switching, one bad for another bad. Oh, okay. Anyways, so I'm trying to do. Sorry, not anyways, not trying to be like that. It's just I was saying anyways. So I've got emails and all this stuff going on, but I wanted to pull up a calculator and have 700 times 0.001. It's point 0.7. No. Right, it's only two decimal places, first of all, so it'd be 7. But it's like half. That's what confuses me, is because 1%. Yeah, I just don't get how they're getting 350 from that. Let's see. So, rounded to two decimal places. So that's another thing that I'm going to need to figure out, because my formatting, like, so that one we would actually have correct. Let me go ahead and look that up. It's just simply Python format two decimals, or just something like that in the search engine. Um, yeah, this looks like it right here. String dot format. Let's see. There we go. Yeah, because it's something weird. So, um, So, for we'll just put F. Oh, oops. Um, okay. I got 5 minutes. Yeah, I have no idea what's going on with the but I want to see what this does. So, why is it 3? Oh, is it maybe? Well, I mean, it's not going to pass any of these. Let's see. All right, that's very unsettling. 4.526 E plus 2? What? Huh. Hmm. Not too sure what to think about all that. Might just have to be happy with that, and we could. I have no idea why it's saying that kind of stuff. Yet this one works, so it gets 8.08. So I guess I don't know, 2 minutes. What I would do, I just don't want to get caught, is I would start plugging in all the different variables and having them in print statements just to check and see um, what's causing this. Like, how am I calculating this? Yet it works for this one. So, yeah. Hmm. Okay. Well, yeah, I think I'm gonna do like earlier and do like 4 or 5 of these things because it was a lot of fun. Also, I want to check out. Is it on live stream? Yes. It's pretty lengthy title, but that makes it easier for uploading to YouTube later. And there we go. Timeout. Alright, 0%. Aw, we got one test, but 120 characters. We still got the most characters out of everything. Dang. I don't really want to... Yeah, fine. Alright, let's go ahead and get to another one so we can forget about that one. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. There's only 3 of us. Okay. Fast mode. Alright. Given 2 angles of a triangle, calculate the third angle. Yes, that's easy. AB, print 180 minus A minus B. Right? Boom. Oops. What? Clash is completed and cannot be restarted? What? Did it in 30 seconds. With 100%. Alright. That was an easy one. That was nice to have as a gimme after that last one. So let's see here. All right. So let's go ahead and I mean I'd kind of like to. Well, I guess I don't really care about the code on this one. That was pretty simple. So let's go ahead and play again. Let's not. I mean, let's try to get as many of these as we can in. I'm curious. Yeah, I'm kind of done with this one. Let's see. How do I go to? Whatever. I don't want to miss out on it. All right, another fastest. Given n ASCII art lines of individual size depicting 2 fish racing towards each other, you must output the number of chum each fish manages to eat before meeting the other. What? Each line consists of 2 fish, always at the edges of the line and separated by a random amount of water or chum. Both fish will travel at the same speed toward each other, consuming any chum in their way. The distance between the fish is even, so it is impossible for both fish to eat the same chum in the middle. Wow. Oh my gosh. Alright, this one got a little... thank you, yeah. This one got a little complicated though. So we've got fish line. Well, it's an even number of water or chum, so... And the fish are at the ends. So what I'm going to do... So we want it after the line. I guess we'll type it all down here. F1 equals 0, F2 equals 0. So fish 1, fish 2, that's their jump down. Now I'm going to do, I think, 2 loops is what I should do. So my thinking behind this is if each fish is on each side of the line, you're doing half of the line. So all we need to do is do a loop for fish 1 to be from the beginning, also minus 3, because that's how big the fish is. So actually, real quick, I know this is fast, but whatever. I want to be able to just do this. Fish line. I want to see what the fish line looks like. Why? And why am I getting... Okay, so... Yeah, so see there, you've got 3 spaces for the fish, and then 2 that one could do. So that one would have gotten 1. So we need to do a loop for this half, a loop for the second half. So, index equals 0, while index is less than len fish line divided by 2. Yeah. Oops. Why is... What does unbound mean? That's just so... Line 19. Oh. This. Not in a function. What? Oh, it's because index plus equals 1. Might be partly because of that. Yeah. Okay, so it does something, but index equals 3. Alright. If fish line at index equals O, F1 plus equals 1. That's it, really. I need to do this again. For fish 2. Now, index starts at... Wait a minute, it does start at the next one. So actually, we can leave index alone. And while it's less than the length of fish line, and now we don't really need the double parentheses. Oh. Index plus... How did that not? So yeah, there's double loop. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. I didn't do... Alright. Now, take that out. Let's see. What's the output supposed to be? 1 to 0. So print F1 plus space plus F2. What? Wait, no, we have to do that. Alright. Oh, look at that. Oh, no. Why? Why is it? Oh. If equals O, F2 plus... There we go. Jeez. Getting sloppy. Okay. There we go. And we'll check that again. What's pack of fish? Fishception. What? Expected 4. Let me see. Alright. There is... Oh! P minus 3? Because the fish? But why am I passing these other test cases? That's... No. Oh no. Oh wait. It's because I was printing the fish. So I guess it doesn't matter that... It's just strange that the pack of fish is this. We have a fish on the left, and we don't have a fish on the right. But we have... Now see, that's wrong. Wait a minute. Oh, the dot dot dot. Never mind. There is a fish. Okay, I just didn't see that. So, we've got 3 and 4. Expected 3 and 2. Why 3 and 2? Because we can see clearly that would at least get 3. So it wouldn't be 2. I disagree with that test case. And then this one depends on if that's in the middle or not. We've got 1, 2. We've got 5, 13, 14. And here we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 13. So this should be 4. This is correct. I don't get this. Like, let's see. I don't get it. Like, if there's... And I'm going to go ahead and comment this back out so we can, make sure that we're still passing these test cases. These make sense. That one, actually... What's this one's excuse? Fishception? It's 1 to 1. Why would it... No. No, look at that. It eats 1 chum. This one eats 1 chum. It's 1 to 1. Expected 4 to 4. I call shenanigans. In fact, I'm gonna put that on this. I don't check your test cases unless I'm missing something. Those last 2 are bogus. Yeah, expected. No. All right, I'm gonna submit. I mean, it's doable apparently, but I'm done with that one. All right. 60%, that's not bad. It's not passing, but it's not bad. Or I guess it's a D. Let me go ahead and share code in case anyone's curious about it. Swift? Isn't that Apple language? Let's see. What's my level at? Oh, it just showed me. So I'm ranked 1 out of 3? What? Huh. So I need 66 more experience? Alright, let's clash again. What is this? says something. Oh no. Here we go. Alright, let's see what this one is. Hiroshima? Oh, I didn't notice this one. Oh, this is the fastest one. Alright, let's see. I don't know, did they? Let's see. There's a couple of people that had 100. Alright, let's see. The goal is to populate given template with given user data. Template contains placeholders, each in the format key. Key contains only letters. User data are key value pairs. Matching is case sensitive. Input contains no dangling angle brackets. If the template placeholder contains an unprovided key, remove that placeholder from the template. A key may be unused or used more than once. Alright, so where we... The key value pairs, sounds like dictionary. Let's look at the input. So we got one, user JSmith. What's the... So is that the key is user, and then this one, the key is slightly different user, and then you put out, or you output the values. Wait, what? It's just one? I want to see... For I in range n. Let's do... data dictionary equals empty. And if pair not in what why does it keep beeping? That's so annoying. Alright, not in data dictionary. Data dictionary of pair. No. See, this is where it gets confusing. Let's see. So template populated with the user data. So we've got the data there, but the user, and then see, I guess I don't understand. Cause this is the input. Oh, this is the output. And then you're supposed to put whatever there. Oh, I see. Okay. Um, alright, so that changes things a little bit. So it takes whatever this is. So the one means it's just this. But then it provides the message I see. So what is that? Template. Template. Okay, so oops. First equals see, actually this might get complicated. Because that's just one. Let me print template just to see. So I want to know if I need to code for that or so if I'm understanding that correctly. Um, yeah, that doesn't do anything. Okay, 12. Okay. Wait, what? Two not keys. Yeah, see, that's what I was thinking of. So we're gonna need a dictionary and then be able to target it. Huh. Jeez. I don't know about this. Hmm. So basically, the problem I'm having is targeting the angle brackets and then everything inside, and then replacing that with the item. Because N and I is going to be. Oh, shit, we can go ahead and save that part. I equals pair. Wait a minute. Part of it. Do you remember something? A key may be unused or used more than once. So. Hmm. I want to see that. Okay, so yeah. They might not be used. They might be used more than once. So we would have to go through the template, and if an angle bracket is found, do something so we can. Oh, I got another follower. Oh, awesome. So, wow, I just realized that. Thank you, just carping them DMs. But that was like 5 hours ago. Sorry, is that what that beeping is? Maybe I don't know. I get this confused. I feel like it's CodinGame, but there's a lot of random beepings that happen. Like, see, I think it's yeah, partly this. The little updates, or even whoops, like this. I don't know. But so the problem I have with this is we got to go through the template, and then if we find an angle bracket, then we have to start a piece of code that forms a target key with everything. So target equals empty string. First, actually that doesn't matter. It would just be return string. So we're going to build that throughout the entirety of the loop. Let's see. Definitely not going to get a speedy one on this one, but I want to try to get an accurate. All right, so I think this should be good. Like this will print out. Let me see. We've got that, and at the end, I want to also print data dictionary. All right, so we did that okay. We got A, B, C. Wait, no. Oh, okay. Um, pairing equals empty list. Pairing equals pair dot split. if pairing 1 okay. Think this should fix it. Pairing 1. There we go. Because I notice everything is split by a space. So we've got, this value, this value, this value, and they all correspond with these keys. So we have A, B, C, ID, which is correct. Okay, cool. Um, and then this. So we've got some variables. That's good. And then for char and template. If char equals the left one. And actually, I even say that we're going to do index equals 0. And we're going to reverse. So we're going to do while index is less than template. Oops, I already have it. The reason I do this is because the last time I did this, where I tried to target certain parts of a string, alter it, insert different text, and then add the original text from the string, it was easier to keep just a global index, or an index through the thing, so with the loop. Let's see, and this is length template. There we go. Now, okay, so there's that. So if template index is equals to negative. Oh, what? Why? Go away. Stop. Okay, you go away. Why? Okay. Alright, let's see. We've only got 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes. Hey, what's up, time traveler? Welcome. We're doing some clashes. I don't think I'm going to get this one done. Also, I got a new headset because the other one I couldn't really hear. So, oh, thanks for the follow, Solaris. See, I heard that one. Appreciate it. So, yeah, I think the other ones are just beeps. So I just missed just carping them DMs earlier. So, apologies. 2 minutes. Okay, so if it's there, then we also need a boolean like to add equals false. False. There we go. And then to add equals true. Alright, and the reason I'm doing that is yeah, we're not gonna get this. We're gonna I guess we could go ahead and take all these out. Let's just hard code that, huh? Oh, whoops. There we go. We got one test case if we got nothing else. So. Oh yeah? When'd you do it, Chucks? Oh gosh. Sorry. I'm getting yeah. Yeah, thank you, Solaris. Welcome. Alright, yeah, we're bombing this one. We got 15 seconds. We got one test case. But that's the general concept. That you need the flag to add to be set to true. And then while to add, you do another while loop in here. And then you would increment the index accordingly so it moves it throughout the string safely and correctly. So for a speedy one, I definitely did not. There's a lot of them that got 100, so good on ya. I did not so good. As you can see, yeah, I didn't do so good on this one, but I had a couple good ones. I did one in 30 seconds. That was crazy. It was literally just asking for the triangle angle dimensions. The one you have to do. Are you talking with the events? What's going on? Clashes. Yeah, I'll share my code. It's not the best. I got 0%, but yeah. Oh, yeah. A lot of these. I mean, especially if you do Code Wars for a while, like doing this stuff, it's a lot different. I mean, the challenges and yeah, then this stuff keeps popping up. Tells me my ranking. So, all right. Oh, whoops. Oh, whatever. That is useful because then I can see how many clashes I've done. So I've done 3 since, or is it 4? How long have we been going? Huh. Well, either way, let's do another one. Maybe we'll get another easy one. Oh, right, right. Just so you get, yeah, kind of acclimated to 2 of the main functionalities of CodinGame. So, alright. Oh man, this is exciting. Also, because that couple more followers puts me over. I was at 30. I'm trying to get that affiliate. Because I think you get to keep your videos on here for longer. Because I keep losing videos. Not that they're super important. They're a lot of my game streams, but I don't know. Some people might enjoy those more than this. All right. This is some pretty interesting profile pics. Look, there's a turkey or a chicken. All right. Let's see what we get. Fastest. All right. You must output the percentage of points that are within the circle. A point on the edge of the circle is considered as inside it. So we're going to do a less than or equals 6. 2 space separated integers, cx and cy, for the coordinates of the circle center point. R integer for the circle radius. Oh gosh. N integer for the number of points. Next in line, 2 space separated integers, px and py, for the coordinates of a point. Okay, so first we get the center. So cx and cy. So that's the center, then the radius, then the number of points. Okay, and then they already give us the loop too. So in the range of, so for every point, which, so right here, we should do something like if, um, hmm. So I'm trying to think, a radius would be how far away from cx and cy it has to be within. But for that, we're checking the px and py. So we would have to find, so what is that, x2 minus x1 over y2 minus y1? No. We're finding the distance of a line. So again, it's been a long time since I've done geometry or trig or any of that. Let me look that up real quick. Just because I would like to know. Distance between 2 points. Okay, so oh, that's Pythagorean. So distance equals the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y squared minus y1. Or no, y2 minus y1 squared. Okay, so let me go ahead and is less than radius. So now we're going to calculate distance. So math dot pow 0.5. Now I got to look up math pow real quick. Okay. We're going to also do the double asterisk to the... Let me go ahead and try that. So we're trying to find is less than r. So whatever we put in here, we're going to need double parentheses. So x2 minus x1. So px minus cx 2. Wait, where's my formula? Plus. Okay. Py minus cy 2. And all of this to the 0.5 no. So now we need to do count equals 0. Oh wait, n is the number, right? No. Wait, what? Well, let me look at the thing, because we're going to need to change count. We're going to need percent 0.0. The result should always be an integer between the range. So or we could even do print. So we're doing a percentage. So we need to keep track of how many, and that's why I was looking at n. Two separated integers. If it's less than, here we go. Count plus equals 1. That's what I was trying to figure out. So that's how many are within the radius or within the circle. Then print string version of, we don't really need percent, but n divided by, or no, it's count divided by n. I think. Times 100. Because it's percents. Yay! Oh, no. Found 0, expected 50. So I'm thinking there might be an issue with this. Because, like, here we found 0, so that means that... Oh, less than or equal. Ah, good call. Good call. Well, it did something. So, alright. Count by n. So if it's finding 0, could also do print actually no. Let's see, these are numbers. So string bx plus, just to see kind of what's going on. What are we not counting? So we've got 2 3 and 2 0. I guess we should also print okay. So the center's at 2 2. Well, I guess we got to do the radius too. So we got 5 minutes. Okay. Alright, so we've got the center and the radius. So 1 away from that, which if it's at x2, y2, that's 1. Okay, and then 2 and 0, that'd be 2 away, so does it not freak out about that? Let's see. Okay. Nice. That works. So yeah, I think what's wrong is this equation right here. Maybe it's just missing it, because the very last print thing I have is 0. So that means the count is 0 because it's multiplied by whatever. What's this one? Oh, geez. That's quite a few. But again, I get 0. So let's see, we have a radius of 100. Center is 5, negative 10. So it'd be like that, and then all the way to 10 down. So, yeah, I'm not too sure. Let's see. I mean, I'm really tempted to... So what I would do is comment this one out. Just keep it for, backup, and then... Well, and instead of doing all that, so it'd be like right here... Math.pow. What does it? Oh, wait, no, come back here. Give you an explanation. Because from what I was looking up, uh, math.pal, it looks like you do something, two parameters separated by a comma. So I'm looking up. The first number to the power of the second number in the float. So yeah, it's math.pow of a comma b. The parameters are a comma b, the numbers. So this would be math.pow of that. Let's see. Come on. Don't lag on me. Okay. Comma. Oh wait, no. Squared. So 2. Plus math.pow. We've only got a minute, so this is very iffy. Get out of here. No, no, honey. All right. Stop. Okay. Um, comma 2. And all of that. Let's keep going. Oh, jeez. Oh, actually, you know what? There we go. Oh, whoops. No, I don't even have any of the test cases. Well, I still have 2. Yeah, that wasn't all that good. Yeah, I'll share my code. Whatever. Alright, so let's see. I actually need to do something else. I don't know if I'll be able to go as long as I was hoping. Maybe I can come back on later. What? What? Why? What are you beeping about? Oh, wow. They got it pretty quick. So, this one gave up pretty quick, it looks like. Oh. Yep, it's got to tell me my rank. I didn't get any experience for any of that. That's sad. Let's look at this. Oh, wait. Oh, you are? Nicely done. Did you do it with Okay, so you kind of did it. Oh, radius squared. See, that's what I was forgetting. I was trying to do the square root of over here. I could have done c squared equals a squared plus b squared, rather than trying to take the square root of all of it. Well, that would have been good, but yeah, nicely done. Okay, so oh, I'm pretty sure that's why it was because right there. Cause see, if you look at mine, I have just radius, and then I'm trying to take the square root of this, which technically should work. I mean, if my math is lined up, although It kind of makes me nervous, all these parentheses. So for all I know, like these could be lined up incorrectly. That's why I was trying to do the math pal one because I figured that was probably with yeah, you had r squared versus my square root of all of this. So I could have been taking the square root of just this instead of. See, what I could have done is separate this out into different variables. So I could have had variable for a, variable for b, variable for. Well, I wouldn't need a variable for r squared, and then take a squared plus b squared and see if it's less than or equal to r squared. I think that's probably the easiest way I could have done it. Yeah, yeah, and as we saw in that one test, there was a ton of points. So I mean, it's on the right path, but it's really hard for me to do a lot of programs in like less than 15 minutes because I don't know. I'm a pretty slow thinker when I think things through. So these are pretty fun though. Let's see. It's getting to be about. Kind of gotta hop off here at 7, so in like 7 minutes. Um, yeah, like I said, I might try to jump on Clashing again later, or I might do some Borderlands. I think that might be a thing. But for now, I've got yeah. I might take a look at some of the. Oh yeah, this is what I was trying to see. So my Clash of Code. Do I have to click it to? Wait, I haven't redeemed my points. All right, so I'm level 6. Let's go. What do I have to do here? Play 50 clashes? I'm almost halfway there too. All right, I could make that. I mean, it doesn't say win 50 clashes, so I mean, I think my rate's about 50-50. Give or less. Like, might be a little less than that, but I'm sure you could probably see somewhere. Like maybe up here. Yeah, I need to do the challenges. Are you doing the spring challenge? Yeah, I play Borderlands. I do a bunch of streaming of that. I'm doing the pre-sequel right now. I did Borderlands 1 all the way through, and I did playthrough 2. And then Borderlands 2 I did all the way through. I didn't upload some of it, so I think I might have to redo it. And I started doing True Vault Hunter mode, but it's kind of lost steam on it. And I kind of want to get into, or well, I don't know if Bob's still here, but Bob, the DLCs. So yeah, Bob's still here, but um, at least in this chat. Uh, yeah. Do you play Borderlands? I'm gonna look at this too. 'Cause I've only got 3 events, and I'm nowhere near finishing the couple that I've been looking at. Yeah, I was looking at ASCII art. I'm not a fan of Marslander temperatures. Yeah, Thorn. This is what I actually did a while ago. I did CodinGame a long time ago and lost interest, but not interest, but I think I got a job or something. So I'll be streaming a lot less once I'm back to working. Nice. Yeah, I did do some Borderlands 3 streaming, and I'm eager to get to that. Because I'm definitely doing. Are you doing Tiny Tina's when it comes out here in like a month? I think it's exactly a month away. Let me look that up. I know it comes out in March. March 25th. All right. So yeah, it's almost exactly a month away. Yeah, I'm about to finish the pre-sequel. I've been streaming that. That's what I do when I'm not coding. Is or when I kind of want to take breaks from coding. But I'm actually gonna go watch a show, and then I've got a thing at 8. Um, and I might be able to hop back on. Yeah, and I might do take a break from coding and do some because I've done a couple of these Clash streams today, and they're really fun. I mean, especially when I get them, like that 30-second one I did, that was awesome. But I mean, that had to make up for all the ones that I didn't even finish. So, but that's all right. I'm just stoked to let's see, go back to yeah, I'm a level 6. Got now. Let's see what goes back to this thing. I think I might try the event because I actually did. Let's see. Yeah, that's a good idea too. I mean, I didn't wait with Borderlands 3. I did the early, the pre-order, and that way I got all like the fancy weapons and stuff. But you're right, it is a lot smarter to just wait until all of the stuff comes together and you get all the weapons, all the DLCs and like the Handsome Jack edition or whatever the Tiny Tina's one's gonna be. But let's see, and I need 150, 151 XP. Okay, well, all right. Well, I'm gonna go catch that show. But thanks for coming by. Thanks for the friend request. And let's see, you can do golf. Golf. You talking about this one? Let's see. Huh. Got bot programming, code golf. Oh, that's cool. Optimization. I am horrible at optimization. That's like one of my biggest flaws with on Code Wars. I've got like 3 or 4 really complicated algorithms, like really close to done. It's just they're not efficient enough for the large inputs. So I've tried to mix recursion with it, and even that'll cut it down, so I'll be able to accept some of the larger inputs. But even then, it times out. So um, this is really cool. Got a little Pikachu thing there. Oh, but yeah, I did an AI challenge when I was getting my degree at CSU. Yeah, code golf. That's the one down here where you have to get like the smallest code, the shortest possible source code. So like whatever's par, and then I'm pretty bad about that too. I'm pretty lengthy with my code, but no, I did an AI challenge, a Windward challenge, and it was where we played a board game. It was kind of like Scrabble, but it was like dealing with the buying and selling stocks. And then you had to do just basically like a CPU AI, like a computer AI, for the computer player. And we made it to the semifinal on a fluke. Like I think this other team was better than us, and they beat us out in the first round locally. But then we ended up ending up with like some kind of different favorable input. So, anyways, yeah, let's see. I already know this one would be bad because if we can see my solution, let's see. Huh. Guess you can't see the solution on this one, so you have to do it over. Huh. All right. Well, I'll be back on at some point. So until then, I'll see you guys later. Thanks for the follow, Solaris, and um, yeah, and thanks for the advice too. It was really fun. We should actually. Oh shoot, I should have followed you on here. But if you think about it, I mean, 'cause we could clash. Oh, I'm sure I'll see you on here again, but I'll try to remember. You're let me go back up there. Polynomu. I'm gonna write that down. So if I see you, I'll follow you on here. But anyways, I gotta get going, so I'll see you guys later. I'll see you on the next one.